A cantilever is a long projecting beam or girder fixed at only one end. A cantilevered tabletop is supported on one side only, so that the table can be positioned close to or over a bed, chair or wheelchair or other structures. Hello dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we have brought to you part 2 of the Cantilever Table Design Ideas video for your inspiration. This video contains a collection of yet beautiful and practical cantilever table design ideas which you can copy and duplicate at your own workshop. You can pick your favorite design and try to make it at home or show it to your local workshop so that they can make one for you. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. So watch the video until the end and choose an inspiring design for your next project. As you all remember, we have posted part 1 of the Cantilever Table Ideas video a few days ago. If you haven't watched that video, we suggest you go and watch it after finishing this video. We will put the link to that video in the video description and also somewhere on the screen. If you would rather go buy cantilevered tables instead of making them by yourself, we will put links you can use to choose and buy the top selling ones online in the video description. Well, as we always say, if you are new to the channel and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing to the channel and smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. If you are already a subscribed member, please like and share this video so that it can reach a wide range of audience. Well, once we're all set with the subscription, the thumbs up, I would like to talk about why we post these design ideas in our channel. When we say that we post these videos for your inspiration, our objective is to encourage you guys to get into making the featured products on your own at home as much as possible. A number of people have shifted their part-time hobby to a full-time job, and we would want you to be one of those guys. Or you can just reap the joy of doing what you use by yourself and telling your friends all about how you made it. This gets us to the point of what we call a home business or a home-based business, which is a small business that operates from the business owner's home office. In addition to location, home businesses are usually defined by having a very small number of employees, usually all immediate family of the business owner, in which case it is also a family business. Home businesses generally lack shop frontage, customer parking, and street advertising signs. Although such businesses are sometimes prohibited by residential zoning regulations, it is always advantageous to start small. The prospect of working from home has gained credibility over the years. Home offices can now compete with the small commercial businesses and save on rent in the process. It may also be possible to tax deduct some of your home expenses while running a home-based business. Faxes, high-speed internet connections, dedicated home telephone lines, and cell phones help to make a home-based business a reality. Earlier, home-based businesses had been where families lived on the second floor of their house while converting the first floor into a store, where upon close of business they would secure the first floor and retire to the upper floors. This type of home business is still done in some rural areas. Many home businesses are started off in a much smaller capacity, while the owner is still employed elsewhere, and then expand once they are proven to be profitable. The concept of a home-based business, as opposed to the previous terminology cottage industry, first appeared in 1978. The phrase was coined by Marion Burr, the originator of a study to find out what businesses women throughout America were carrying on their homes. The preview edition of Enterprising Women wrote about the search to gather information pertaining to home workers throughout the nation. Numerous magazines and organizations helped to disseminate information regarding the study. Ultimately, 40,000 letters were received, many indicating the problems respondents experienced while carrying on businesses from their homes. The problems were analyzed, confronted in two ways. In 1980, the National Alliance of Home-Based Businesswomen was found to combat the isolation expressed by the respondents, as well as to fight the laws which made conducting their business difficult. The Woman Working Home, the Home-Based Guide and Directory by Marion Berg and Wendy Lather was published. It contained the stories of many women who run home-based businesses throughout the country in many diverse fields, as well as information on business formation, conduct, and compliance with the law. It sold 50,000 copies. During this time, many national magazines wrote about these issues. At the White House Conference on Small Business in 1986, one of the major resolutions was a recommendation favoring lifting restrictions on home-based businesses. The number of home businesses continues to grow due to the increases in technology. In Great Britain, 8 million people were running an online home-based business as of April 2013. By now, this figure could have probably grown several folds. Licensing requirements for home-based businesses in the United States vary based on industry and location. 2 out of the 3 companies of all sizes begin in a separate bedroom, garage, basement, or sometimes even a bathroom. That's how companies as diverse as Apple Computer, Baskin-Robbins Ice Cream, Electronic Data Systems, Hallmark Cards, the Lillian Vernon Catalog, the Purex and Purex began. Of course, the internet makes operating a virtual company from home more feasible and popular than ever. Most cities and most countries have zoning ordinances that limit to one degree or another whether you can operate a business from home. While many communities have modernized their zoning ordinances to recognize the computer-based business isn't like a noisy auto body repair shop, an odorous hair salon, or a 6 a.m. gathering point for a construction or cleaning crew. Many communities ban certain kinds of businesses and prescribe limitations that may handicap some businesses. So, if you are planning to launch your business from home, the first thing to do is to check out what commercial activity your city or county allows in your neighborhood. This is becoming easier to do as many communities are making their codes available on their websites. Since almost 9 out of 10 people who operate a home business have a family, keeping personal and work spaces separate is critical to peaceful domestic relation. So location is the first thing to think about when you are planning where your home office will be. If you can have your office in a separate structure like a garage or a guest house in the backyard, you probably need to think no further. But since the typical home-based business is located inside a home, you need to consider noise and family traffic patterns when deciding where to put your office. Of course, if you are locating your business at home so you can care for your children, you may choose to compromise privacy for a vantage point that will enable you to see or hear what your children are doing while you work. If you have customers coming to your home, locating your office where it can have separate entrance or be close to an entrance to your home can save you time and trouble. If business visitors must walk through your home to get to your office, it's important to keep personal areas of your home neat and uncluttered by personal items, such as laundry and children's toys. About half of home offices are located in a spare bedroom, which hopefully has a relatively soundproof door. The negative connotation implied by referring to home-based business as a cottage industry is disappearing. Still, presenting a professional image can be a challenge. If your 4-year-old answers your phone or your clients are confronted with piles of laundry on the way through the house to your office. Here are some things you can do to let people know you're serious about your home business. Have a separate phone line for your business. Answer your phone in a formal and professional manner. Use voicemail to capture calls when you are away. Take care that your paper collaterals have a consistent quality look. Make sure your business address is professional. Find alternative care for your kids. Set up meetings off-site. If you live in an inconvenient location or simply don't have enough space to meet with customers or clients in your home office. And finally, dress professionally. Getting back to our today's video, a cantilever is a beam supported at one end and carrying a load at the other end or distributed along the unsupported portion. The upper half of the thickness of such a beam is subjected to tensile stress tending to elongate the fibers, whereas the lower half to compressive stress tending to crush them. A cantilever beam bends downwards when it's subjected to vertical loads. It can be subjected to point load, uniform load, or varying load. Irrespective of the type of load, it bends downwards by creating a convexing upwards. This bending creates tension in the upper fiber and compression in the lower fibers. Hence, during the design of cantilever beams, the main reinforcement is provided to the upper layer to withstand the tensile stress safely. A cantilever table is a tabletop often mounted on a C-shaped base with or without small caster wheels. Sometimes the tables are height adjustable and the surface is often angle adjustable. Mostly cantilever tables are used over a person's chair or bed when the person is unable to access a traditional table. But recent trends have come up with beautifully crafted cantilever tables that are a showpiece on their own. Modern cantilever tables are multi-purpose solutions designed to accommodate a wide variety of furniture arrangements, uses, and space. The mixed materials create a contemporary aesthetic, and the lightweight frame is easy to move and reconfigure. Cantilever table bases are perfect for projects that require a minimal footprint, such as pools, banquets, and wheelchair-accessible tables. Some strong welded steel cantilever bases attach to the wall, leaving the underside of your table free for legs and chairs. Regarding materials of construction, wood and metal are the widely used materials. Wood tables are most commonly constructed using lumber boards. Protection for the wood is provided with a stain, paint, or wood protectant that repels water. This protection is necessary to protect it from cracking, warping, or rotting due to moisture. The tabletop and benchtop boards are attached to the truss or beams using wood screws or nails. The legs can be secured with carriage bolts fastened by nuts and washers. Metal cantilever tables are heavy and durable and require little maintenance. Metal tables are sometimes attached onto concrete parts or other heavy structure for better stability. Well, dear viewers, as you can see in the video, we have compiled a number of interesting cantilever table design ideas for your inspiration. Which one is your favorite and why? Let us know in the comment section. By now you know that our channel is full of inspiring videos which you can use daily as an inspiration. If you like such content, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.